How to see Spotify Rap Top 20 Artists. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this tutorial. To check out the top 20 artists on your Spotify application, firstly you can open up your Google. So over here you can search for Spotify slash wrapped or spotify.com slash wrapped. Then you will see a link something like this. You need to tap on it. This will redirect you to your Spotify application and it will have multiple previews regarding your playlist. If you have a rap, it will have various of slides for you to showing off all the artists that you have listened or all the music that you have listened to. It will take you about 5 to 8 minutes, so make sure you tap on the screen to skip the stories. After you have successfully reached at the end, you will find your top 20 artists or your top artist along with the most played music. So you can just tap on it to save in your gallery, which can be shared into various of platforms such as your Instagram story or wherever you wish for. So this is how you can easily check your top 20 artists on your Spotify.